Hello friends, how are you? Let's balance one more equation. This is the reaction between aluminium and oxygen to form aluminium oxide. I have noted down the atoms present on the reactants as well as the products. They are only two atoms, aluminium and oxygen. Now let's check at the left hand side how many atoms of aluminium. Only one atom is there at the left hand side. At the right hand side, how many aluminum atoms are there? Two aluminum atoms, because the subscript 2 is there for aluminum. Oxygen at the left hand side, two atoms. Oxygen at the right hand side, three atoms. When we compare the atoms on both the sides of the equation, aluminium on the right hand side it is two times, but the left hand side it's only once. Therefore, what has to be done? This 1 needs to be multiplied by 2 times. This 2 has to be written as a coefficient of this aluminium. Now, oxygen, when we compare the oxygen at the left hand side 2 times, that's even number. But the right hand side is 3, that's odd number. So this type of case is what we need to do, that this odd number, the right hand side odd number, has to be divided by the left hand side even number. Then we will get a fraction. Using that fraction, we need to multiply this oxygen as a coefficient. So accordingly, this 2 has to be multiplied by 3 by 2. It has to be multiplied by 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 has to be written as a coefficient of this oxygen. But as per the rule, the mole ratio has to be the whole number. So as a result, this 3 by 2 fraction has to be made into a whole number. In order to make this 3 by 2 as a whole number, we need to multiply this by 2. So when we multiply this 3 by 2 by 2, the whole equation has to be done the same adjustment. Otherwise, the value will change. Therefore, this equation together we are multiplying by 2. That is the denominator 2. Using this 2 only we are multiplying. So accordingly, now the equation will change. That is the 2 aluminum into 2. This will become 4 times. This will become 3 times, because 3 by 2 into 2, 2 will be cancelled. We will get the answer 3. And this aluminium oxide, it will become 2 times. And now the equation is balanced. The balanced chemical equation for this reaction is 4 moles of aluminium plus 3 moles of oxygen gives 2 moles of aluminium oxide. Thank you so much for watching.